Welcome back to the docket. We're starting with a shocker. Alexis Rodriguez tells the judge she wants to go to jail because she's tired. But this judge isn't buying the nap excuse. She clocks it immediately as a drug-induced lethargy. Pro tip: telling a judge you're too sleepy for your own hearing is a one-way ticket to a very uncomfortable wake-up call.
Yes.
All right, Alexis, you said you want to go to jail already because you're tired? All right, so that's what drugs will do sometime. It'll make you sleepy. So my suggestion to you, get awake because your attorney is coming. All right. This is Rodriguez. All right, so the first thing we have is the affidavit to surrender surety.
Yes, Judge, I had not seen her since I got notice that there was a pre-trial violation. You wanted
So you want to go forward on the,
yes, some sort of violation on pre-trial services.
yes, I mean, do you
Oh, yes, yes.
still want to surrender surety? All right.
And there it is, the hammer drops. Her bondsman is officially surrendering her. Legal insight: when a bondsman files an affidavit to surrender surety, they are basically saying, I don't trust this person to show up anymore and I want my money back. This means Alexis is going straight from the podium to a holding cell. No pass and go, no collecting $200.
Deputy Mejia, she's going into custody. All right, so the affidavit to surrender surety will be granted. And then we have the non-compliance.
Bye. See you when I see you. Goodbye.
And this is the first violation report.
There was a second one, I believe, yesterday.
Is there a second violation on Ms. Rodriguez? All right, so what I can tell you on your violation report, the violation report is that you have not done your testing, your drug testing, or done your sober support meeting. So obviously you want to be in custody. Is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Have you contacted your attorney?
No, ma'am.
So obviously you want to be in custody, because if you did not want to be in custody, you would have contacted your attorney. You would have done your conditions that were given to you while you're on bond, and you didn't do any of those. So that tells me.
Contacting the person I've been going to go see for the drug testing, telling him that I haven't been able to make it because I picked up a job, night shifts, and I have 2 kids and I got no help. So I've been telling him, like, whenever I've been able to, like.
The mood just shifted from clinical to critical. The judge points out the cold reality. Alexis found time to use drugs but couldn't find time to report for testing. Then comes the heavy blow. The judge questions her fitness as a mother. This is where courtroom drama hits real-life consequences. Is the judge being too harsh, or is this the tough love needed to protect those kids? Let us know in the comments.
If you're drug tested today, it's going to be dirty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so obviously you've found time to use drugs during your busy schedule, but you can't find time to report to pretrial services. And based upon your drug use, you should not have custody of children, because when people are using drugs, they are not good parents. You can't be a good parent and use drugs. So there you are. So you're going into custody today?
And Judge, I just see one violation report filed first.
And that's my mistake. I thought there was a second one, and you said there's a compliance hearing set for today, and that's when I caught the first email that came out.
Okay.
All right, so Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
reset, and are you going to stay as her attorney or no?
I'll do a motion of the next week, Judge.
All right, if you want to go ahead and go on orally on the record.
And go over.
All right. The court is going to call NIMAC number 738729, State versus Alexis Christian Rodriguez, for the defense.
Judge Joseph McAguilar, on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez, I am the attorney of record and have filed an affidavit to surrender, and I would also like to make a verbal motion to withdraw as her attorney.
All right.
Then no communication, no follow-up in any employment agreement.
All right. As previously stated, the court is granting your affidavit to surrender surety, and the court will grant the motion with
Total collapse of the defense. Not only is Alexis back in custody, but her lawyer is jumping ship. Legal insight. Once an attorney surrenders their client's bond, a massive conflict of interest is created. You can't represent someone while simultaneously being the person who put them back in jail. Now she's truly alone in that jury box.
once you've done the affidavit to surrender surety, there is sort of a conflict.
Exactly.
All right, that will be granted. Your excuse.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I do have one more back.
All right. Are you able to afford an attorney?
Not at this moment, no.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, see if she can be interviewed for a court-appointed attorney.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send it to Mac.
All right, and then Norma, let's recall this for the week of July 21st.
Yes, ma'am. You- I can do the 22nd.
All right, and if you can make sure that she has a reset form.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, just have a seat. And could you all hold on to her?
A few moments later.
All right.
Yes.
All right. Alexis, you said you want to go to jail already because you're tired? All right, so that's what drugs will do sometime. It'll make you sleepy. So my suggestion to you, get awake because your attorney is coming.
What the hell is going on?
Could you say something so we can see if we can hear you?
Yes, fine.
Oh, all right. So we have a motion, a violation report saying that you are still drinking alcohol. You're not allowed to drink alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing to help maintain your sobriety?
Well, I don't drink. It's just and I know it's wrong.
No, I cannot hear you. You need to stay still, stop moving around, because when you move around, we can't hear you. So what are you doing to maintain your sobriety?
Well, I'm just not gonna drink because I usually don't drink. It was just my sister's birthday, so it was a family function, and I won't drink no more. And I don't drink. It was just
No, you do drink. And let me just tell you why I know you drink.
We've moved on to the next case, but the excuses stay the same. This defendant is on bond for DWI with a child under 15, a state jail felony in Texas, and she's caught drinking at a birthday party. The judge's sarcasm is top tier here, mentioning jailhouse wine made with orange peels. The reveal, a birthday toast might cost this woman her freedom. Rules on bond aren't suggestions, people.
Allegedly, this case has been indicted because you were driving while intoxicated with a child under 15. So allegedly, that means that you were drinking alcohol. That's why it's driving while intoxicated. You're on bond for driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, which you think would be a wake-up call for you not to drink alcohol. And you're still using excuses to drink. So what I'm telling you is you are not allowed to drink while you are on bond. Now, what I can do is I can issue a warrant for your arrest. And if you drink, it'll be you making alcohol at the Bexar County Jail, which my understanding you can do with orange pills after you let it mold. So that will be the only way that you'll be getting your alcohol.
Is that true?
You understand? So I am going to follow through on the recommendation from the state. You're going to continue with Ignition Interlock. You are going to take the alcohol awareness course, and you're going to do 30 sober meetings in 30 days. If you violate that, a motion is going to be sent to me. It's going to be another violation report. You're going to be required to appear in court and answer for it. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, recall it back for, they had on the 30th, it was going to be a blood discovery.
We're still waiting on the blood evidence.
All right, Norma, if you'll recall this back for the 4th week in July, please.
The 21st.
All right, so you're going to be back here on July 21st.
Judge, I'm on vacation that week. I'll be
Okay.
back the following week.
All right, let me see. Just 1 second. Oh, where are you going? Are you just going to be a staycation?
No, I'm taking the kids to Florida, the wife and kids to Florida.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. So, you want to do it the week of the 28th? Or you want to do it the week of the 14th,
Of August.
July?
I'll get back, like August 1st, Judge.
All right, so do you want to do it the week of July 14th? Is that good or no?
No, we're going a long time.
Oh, okay. All right, Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
set this for the week of August 1st. I'm sorry, August 4th.
I can do the 4th.
All right, you're going to be back on August 4th? And state that's the final discovery, so the blood discovery needs to be given to him, and if some reason they don't have the blood discovery, then they need to be here to explain why they don't have it. All right, Mr. Cloud, your attorney is out sick.
Okay, how you doing this morning?
Doing okay? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, but best that I can be. You know what I mean? I'm stuck
All right,
in jail.
okay, so
I
here,
got a couple of objections I'd like to make though about this indictment I got.
all right, so that needs to be done through your attorney.
Well, I haven't talked to the dude. I don't know where he's at. And
He's
so
sick.
he's always sick. He's supposed to see me in the jail on.
All right,
like,
so
To wrap things up, we have a classic energy mismatch. This defendant is coming in at 100%, and the judge needs him at an 80. Navigating a judge's temperament is 50% of the battle. When the judge tells you to lower your voice, that's your final warning before a contempt of court charge enters the chat. Stay tuned for the next session. This docket is just getting started.
so let me talk to you.
yeah, go ahead.
All right, so right now you're coming at me at 100. My suggestion is you put it on 80.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so then that means lowering your voice.
Okay, I'm
All right.
sorry. I mean, I talk